Do you want to know how you can manage your uploads in Midjourney? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage your uploads on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the first link or the official link of Midjourney, log into your account, and what you need to do now is go over here on the bottom right hand corner, click on these three dots and you can see Manage Uploads. Go ahead and click on it and you can see that this is your uploads page. There are two items, visible and hidden. You can edit between these, you can delete your uploads, you can hide the uploads, and the hidden will be shown over here. You can even see the date, the format and the origin of your file. So you can click on it and you can see all of the details of your uploads. So it's quite easy to manage your uploads. All you need to do is go to Midjourney and then scroll a bit down and you can see on the bottom left hand side, this is your profile. Click on the three lines button and click Manage Uploads. These are your uploads and this is how you manage them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.